welcome back to Amy's
kitchen.
Today we're gonna make
Brownie.
Can you say it louder?
Yada.
No, it's brownies. Today we're gonna be making Nutella brownies. The things that we need is, what's this? Why are you whispering? Okay, this is salt. What is this? No, it's flour. What's this? Why can't you say it louder, Arian? Okay, this is vanilla, like you said. Arian, what's this? Okay, he's whispering. I don't know why. Arian, what's this? Okay, now what's this? No, it's chocolate. What's this? No, Nutella. And Nutella is my favorite part about these brownies. What's this? Butter. No, it's butter. And this is sea salt. Oopsies. First, you have to leave the butter out for half an hour. Then you have to beat it for 2 minutes until it's nice and creamy. Now we're beating the butter. Now Arian's gonna put some sugar in and then I'm gonna beat it nicely. Arian, that's the sugar? Okay, good boy. Now Arian's gonna add the eggs. Arian, add the eggs. Don't drop it. You can get closer for him so it can be easier. There's a bit more, Arian. Go. Here you go. Now I'm gonna beat it.
Okay, 18.
Add the salt. Arian's adding salt now. And now I'm gonna add a drop of vanilla.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if I can do a drop. That's enough. That's enough. Now for my favorite part, the Nutella, and we're going to take 4 big tablespoons. And this spoon is to wipe the Nutella off the spoon if it's stuck there. Okay, so this is my first one. Now I'm going to beat the Nutella with the batter. Now we're going to add the flour and beat it. This looks like a really yummy mixture. Now we've beaten everything, we're going to add the dark chocolate pieces in. Are you going to put them in? Put them in. Put them in. Do it. Do it. Dump it all in. You can lick the bowl where there's a tiny piece of chocolate in there. Because you can't put your hand in here. This looks totally delicious. This looks scrumptious actually. Now you have to take a baking tray, take a baking sheet and spread some butter on the baking sheet and then you add your mixture on your baking tray. Okay, so now let's do it on my own. But like Kyle.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Nummy.
It's not nummy, it's yummy.
Nummy.
Okay, here you go. Taste some.
Look, Mom.
No, I want to. Yummy. Delicious. Now we're going to do some blobs of Nutella and then we're going to do a swirl.
Mama.
Okay, after I've got to finish this, then you can have some from the spoon.
I like more. One. Awesome.
Yeah, we did it! I can't wait for this spoon. Hold tight. Hold tight. No. We did it! Now you have to take something with a pointy tip and then you have to put it down on the Nutella and then you just have to swirl it like that. Now this one. And when we put it to bake, it's going to go inside and then when we eat it, it'll taste scrumptious. We're done. No! Now we have to sprinkle some sea salt on top. Alright, what are we going to do now? We're going to put it in the
oven.
Now we have to put it in the oven for roughly 30 minutes and when it's done, you should put a toothpick in your brownie and it shouldn't stick.
No.
Now we have to put our brownies in the oven. Well, before that, we have to put kitchen foil on top of our brownies so it cooks nicely in the middle and as it's supposed to be on top. Now the brownies are ready! We have to let them cool and then we can cut them into squares and eat them. I hope you try making this brownie at home. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! I'm going to say bye.
Okay.
Louder.
Bye.